Hi, my name is Mark. Welcome to Membership Websites. How do you hide the header and footer section on a profile page of a member? Let's go and find a member first. So we're going to just click the search now. That's going to load the search results up. And then we're going to view sample member 3. So let's view the listing. So what you can do on listings is you can hide the footer and the header section within the listing, and you might want to do that because you might want the profile page to be as much as possible like its own web page, so you're almost selling someone a single web page to advertise their business on. So if we go to the back end, let's go to finance membership plans, and then we're going to scroll down to membership plan 1. We're going to edit that because that's where sample member 3 is. And then we're going to go to the profile page settings. And within the profile page settings, we've got loads and loads of settings. But the ones that we're interested in are hide the website header and hide the website footer. So we want to change these to yes. We want to hide both the header and the footer. Let's just refresh the page. You can see now we've lost the header and we've also lost the footer. So it's really good if you want to sell a page to somebody that they can pretty much do as they want with. You still have the breadcrumbs available here, and you can hide the breadcrumbs if you don't want them there. So you can set that up in the back end. But the breadcrumbs still open a gateway up to your site, so it is worth considering in leaving them there. But it's a really good setting to use when you're selling the web space to your businesses or your members. So that's how you hide the header and footer on a member profile. Thanks for watching.